on tight. There you go. Hold on to that. Okay. You're good to go.
Happy New Year, everyone. Sorry, this water's running. So this is the first weekend of 2021, and I think what I'm gonna start doing is a weekend vlog with the kids and I here at the house, obviously on the weekends since I'm not at the daycare, and then do one other vlog throughout the week. That way you guys get to see us a couple times a week. Anyways, not a whole lot going on right now. I'm getting water for the chickens, but Ryan and Alan are headed down to Oklahoma. We bought a pickup for the farm this week on Purple Wave. So it is a nice, lovely green color, which you guys will see later. But they are headed all the way down to Lawton, Oklahoma, which is like almost to Texas. But it'll be okay. Hopefully it all works out. We've been needing a pickup. The one that we have, Alan had for like a long time, and it works. It made it all the way to Springfield, Missouri, and then down to Oklahoma, and then back to Kansas to pick up our bowl, but it's just not gonna be like a long term. This pickup that we're buying isn't like brand new or anything like that, but hopefully it will be functional enough that we can use it whenever we need it. We're gonna have to switch over bale beds, like the bed that can do the hay bales and unroll the hay bales when we need those. That's on the white pickup, and we're gonna have to switch that over to this new green pickup, and then hopefully we can sell the bed that's on the green pickup, so we can make some of our profit back on that. Anywho, I am gonna water these chickens. Kids and I are gonna run to town, but I'll have to show you guys the pickup when they get back with it. We just got home from town, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I took advantage of the Christmas sales, and I'm all stocked up for next year because I have to step up my game. This was probably like my last slacker year since William is only, well, he's almost 2. So he still didn't really understand all the Christmas decorations and stuff. But I got really cute stockings. And then, I know. And then a really cute skirt that I'll show you guys. It was adorable though. So, we're all ready for Christmas decorations next year. You wanna go take care of the chickens? Huh? Oh, Maymay's starting to wake up. So, we might be able to play outside for just a couple minutes. Then go back in and get working on lunch. Are you gonna take care of the chickens? You ready?
Ready.
Someone just got up from his nap. I haven't heard from Ryan or Alan, so I'm sure everything's going fine. But we're gonna get this little guy a snack and get some cuddles in before Sissy wakes up. We're gonna eat some granola bars that Mommy made. I shared over on Instagram that I'm trying to do some healthier and like homemade snacks for him. So I made granola bars the other day, and I'm gonna keep tweaking the recipe, but then I'll share them with you guys and on the blog. So stay tuned. Let's go get a snack. You ready? You want a snacky? Yum, yum, yum. We decided to get out and go on a little walk. It's a little chilly, but we're all bundled up, aren't we, Gracie May? Up here. He's not happy that I'm not letting him walk, but he doesn't understand that he's gonna get super tired after just a little bit, so it'll be okay. But I talked to Ryan a little while ago, and everything was going fine. They were at the Oklahoma border, so not too much longer left. But they, I don't know. He said the pickup was nice enough and ready to get it home and get all the projects started on that, aren't we? I wanted to show you guys all the prep work that Ryan's been doing to lay out our alleyway and our chute. So he's been working on it for a few weeks now, but doing the finishing touches, thank goodness, and then we'll get everything put back together. But I'll flip the camera around and show you guys. So this is our alleyway right here, and then our chute's gonna go down there where he's at, but he's trying to raise the ground level just a little bit, and then it kind of gets muddy in some areas, so that's why we're putting gravel down and some asphalt, so that way we don't have mud issues. But it'll be nice to get this project done. He totally redid the alleyway. Our other one was rusty now, so. What are you doing? Are you having fun? Watching Daddy? Yeah. Okay, so tell our friends the specs on this awesome truck here, Ryan.
Specs.
I don't know.
Name is Joe Bob. Jared,
Why is it?
a good friend Jared, came up with the idea that you name it after the person you bought it from. And the
Okay.
guy we bought it from was a guy down in Oklahoma, and his name's Joe Bob. So I thought it was a pretty good name. So, yeah,
This is the green.
it's the green machine.
Yeah, I like that too. We're gonna go to the state lake and go for a family walk really quick. Are you gonna drive? Drive. Oh, the horn might not work. I don't know.
See here. That's the cutest horn ever.
A little clown horn.
Well, there's nothing like a loud whistle
Yeah.
to bring the cows in.
Let's go.
Okay, you're good to go.
Well, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you had a great start to your 2021, and we'll see you in the next video.